Good morning, everybody. I am Amol Thosar, Department of Zoology. Today we will discuss the paper that is Genetics Second, BSc second year. Within Genetics Second, there are 5 topics are there, like gene and its expression, population genetics, human genetics, microbial genetics, and genetic engineering. Today we will discuss the first topic, that is gene and its expression. Last semester we are discussing the genetic first. Within genetics first, we are discuss so many topics like elements of heredity and variation, like gene interaction, multiple allele, cytoplasmic inheritance, sex determination, and mutation. You have know very well about the genetics. Genetics means study of heredity and variation, and heredity means the transmission of character from one generation to the another generation, or parent to its offspring. Or variation means the differences between parents and their offspring. Who is the father of genetics? Mendel. Gregor Johann Mendel is the father of genetics. He worked as a pea plant, and scientific name of pea plant, that is called as Pisum sativum. We will move towards our topic like gene. Gene is a fundamental unit of heredity. Its presence was proposed by Mendel in 1865. He is called factor. Mendel worked pea plant in near about 7 trades. There is height of plant, that is seed coat color, color of flower, position of flower, color of seed, like this. The word gene was coined by Johnson in 1909. A gene is defined as a segment of DNA having a particular sequence of nucleotide coding for a specific polypeptide chain. It occupies a definite locus in the chromosome and it's responsible for the expression of a specific characters. It is an unit of mutation. Mutation means that is called a suddenly change. Size of gene. An average gene consists of 1500 nucleotide base pair and has a molecular weight of 10.6. The hemoglobin has 2 types of polypeptide chain, namely alpha and beta chain. Alpha chain is synthesized by gene containing 423 nucleotide, means 141 into 3 is equal to 423, and the beta chain is synthesized by gene containing 438 nucleotide, means 146 into 3 is equal to 438. Modern concept of gene. Actually, modern concept was proposed by Seymour Benzer in 1955. They introduced the terms cistron, muton, and recon. The cistron is called as unit of function. It is responsible for the expression of trait. It is a segment of DNA having information for synthesis of particular protein or RNA. It is with several hundred BP, means base pair long. Muton, it is called unit of mutation. Mutation means suddenly change. It consists of a few nucleotide, means 1 to few base pair long. It is segment of DNA that undergo mutation. Recon, unit of recombination. It is a segment of DNA that participate in recombination through crossing over during meiosis. It consists of few to many base pair. Gene expression. Gene expression refers to the mechanism by which gene expresses a phenotype. Here the diagram shows gene, they get converted into the messenger RNA by the process of transcription. Transcription means what? The gene contain the code for polypeptide chain in the form of a specific sequence of nucleotide base, it transferred its code to messenger RNA. It is called as transcription. Or messenger RNA, they get converted into the polypeptide chain. These are called as translation. Translation means what? The code present in the messenger RNA, they are translated in the ribosome with the help of transfer RNA. The transfer RNA picks up the required amino acid and linked in specific sequence as per sequence of nucleotide present in messenger RNA. The amino acid from a polypeptide chain, it functions as a structural protein or as an enzyme. In other words, the polypeptide contributes to the morphological or functional trait of the cell. The entire process of gene expression is represented as follows. That is called a gene. They get converted into the messenger RNA by the process of transcription, and messenger RNA, they get converted into the polypeptide chain by the process of translation. After that, gene concept, that is called a silent feature. Gene is the fundamental unit of heredity. You have no real about the heredity. Heredity means the transmission of character from parent to its offspring or one generation to the another generation. The gene concept was proposed by Morgan. The gene concept refer to the summary of the information about the character of gene, chromosome, linkage, crossing over. The gene concept include the following silent feature. Like for silent feature, that is each organism is form a bundle of character and each character is controlled by a pair of gene. Means each and every organism, they are form a bundle of character and each and every character, they are controlled by the pair of gene. Of the two gene of a character, one gene come from the father and other is come from the mother. Means each character, they are made up of a pair of gene. Out of the gene, one gene is came from father and other is came from the mother. Law of segregation. Third silent feature means law of segregation. Actually, law of segregation, law of independent assortment, both laws, these are proposed by the Mendel in 1865. Actually, law of segregation means what? During gamete formation, the gene of a pair, they separate in meiosis and each gamete receive only one gene. This is law of segregation. Then law of independent assortment. Of law of independent assortment, actually these are also law, these are proposed by Mendel. The genes located on a different chromosome assort out independently of each other during gamete formation. This is called a law of independent assortment. Means each and every gamete assort or segregate independently. After that, crossing over. Crossing over, you have know about the crossing over. The crossing over means during meiosis, genes are interchanged between homologous chromosome. This is called as crossing over. Then after that, linkage. Linkage means the certain genes are inherited together as one unit for a number of generations. This is called as linkage. After that, each chromosome contains a numerous gene. Means number of genes, those are present on chromosome. And gene, those are present on chromosome on a particular locus. Chromosomes are two parts, that is homologous or non-homologous, and each and every part genes are present. Linear arrangement. Actually, the genes are arranged in a linear manner like beads on a chromosome. Locus. Locus means actually the place. Locus. Each gene has a definite place in the chromosome. This place, these are called as locus. Allele. Allele means two genes controlling a character and that is called as allele. Then dominance. Dominance means in F1 generation, those characters, those are expressed in F1 generation, that is called as dominant character. Dominance means out of the two allele, one allele expressed in F1 generation. This allele, these are called as dominant allele, or character expressed, these are called as dominant character. Then receive. Those characters, those are not expressed in F1 generation, that character, these are called as recessive character, or that allele, these are called as recessive allele. Then codominance. Sometimes the two allele of a character may be equally expressed, means both are expressed in F1 generation and they are equally expressed. This is called as codominance. Means for example, coat color in cattle, means all the two color like red and black color both are expressed in equally, and that is the example of codominance. Then incomplete dominance, actually within incomplete dominance the none of the two allele may be fully dominant, but they are partially or incompletely dominant. For example, that is called as incomplete dominance. uh, Color flower, that is red color, these are crossed with white color, uh, they get converted into the pink, that is called as incomplete dominance. Then after that, polygeny, sometimes a single character is produced by the interaction of two or more pair of genes. This phenomena it is called as factor of hypothesis or interaction of gene, and such genes are called as polygeny. Then multiple allele, multiple allele means certain character are produced by cumulative effect or two or more pair of genes. The genes are called as cumulative genes, or the genes are called as multiple genes. Means uh, cumulative effects means small effect. Pleiotropism, after that, pleiotropism means sometimes a single pair of genes produce a two or more character. These are called as pleiotropism. After that, multiple allele, certain character have more than two allele, that allele these are called as multiple allele. Epistasis, epistasis means certain gene inhibit a expression of other gene, these are called as epistasis. After that, lethal gene, lethal means dead. Certain gene control the vital activity of organism, these genes are called as lethal gene because they kill the organism when they are in restricted condition. If one gene is restricted condition and that gene these are kill the particularly character or organism, that is called as lethal gene. Then penetrance, actually sometime some genotype may be expressed on some organism and may not be expressed in other. These phenomena these are called as penetrance. After that, expressivity, certain genotype may be expressed a variety of degree, varying degree in different individual. This phenomena these are called as expressivity. Then atavism, atavism means some individual of a species may inherit ancestral character, this is called as atavism. Then plasma gene, plasma genes means that is called as cytoplasmic inheritance, these are also called cytoplasmic inheritance, or a certain particle in the cytoplasm also controls some character. This particle these are called as plasmogene, and the inheritance of plasmogene these are called as uh, cytoplasmic inheritance. Then after that, replication, genes can replicate and produce its own copy, means each and every gene their ability to produce its own copy, and that produce own copy these are called as replication. Then mutation, mutation you have no heard about the mutation, that is called as suddenly change, they change in the form of an other form, this is called as mutation. Environmental factor, actually the expression of gene is influenced by the environmental factor. Last one, these are called as one gene one enzyme hypothesis, actually these are important in protein synthesis. Each gene controlled by synthesis of specific enzyme, and this is called one gene one enzyme hypothesis. After that, last point, these are called as function of gene. Actually the gene have many function to do, they are the following, like expression of character. Actually expression of character means without gene character can't express. These are the primary function of gene, they control the character, means gene control the character, that's why the character expressed because of the gene. The gene control the character by the production of enzyme, each gene produce one enzyme, and this is called as one gene one enzyme hypothesis. Already said that, and the enzyme is turn regulate a metabolic reaction. The product of the metabolic reaction is express a visible product or visible character, and these are called as expression of character. After that, protein synthesis. These are most important function of the gene. Without protein synthesis, means protein synthesis means the gene they get converted into the messenger RNA, and messenger RNA they get converted into the polypeptide chain by the process of transcription as well as translation. A gene contains a master plan for the proteins synthesis of protein. The master plan present in the gene, these are called a genetic code. Genetic code determines the type of protein to be synthesized. The protein synthesized by the gene are enzymes or structural protein. Enzymes catalyze a metabolic reactions. Structural protein are used for the construction of cellular compound. After that, inheritance. Actually, genes are the unit of inheritance. They are the classical unit of inheritance. From the parent to offspring, the character are not transmitted, but genes are transmitted. After that, last one, these are called the regulation of genes, regulation of gene action. Each and every each chromosome contain a numerous gene, and each cell contain many chromosome, and an organism contain thousands of cell. So each organism contain million of genes. If all the genes are engaged in the enzyme synthesis, that is called as protein synthesis, there will be metabolic change in the cell, and the entire organism will be collapsed. This will not happen because genes themselves are beautifully regulated. That is called as the regulation of gene action. Like Jacobson-Monod proposed explain the mechanism of gene regulation, that is called as operon hypothesis. Lastly, thank you, student. These are the first lecture, that is called as gene expression. After that, next lecture we are studying the next point, that is called transcription of gene, translation of gene, or genetic code. In this lecture, we are studied what is this? That is function of gene, that is called expression of character, protein synthesis, inheritance, and regulation of gene. Before that, the silent feature of gene concept, like so many silent features are there, that is linear alignment, locus, allele dominance, recessive codominance, incomplete dominance, that is called as polygene, multiple gene, pleiotropism, multiple allele, epistasis, lethal gene, that is called as penetrance, expressivity, atavism, plasmogene, replication, mutation, environmental factor, and one gene hypothesis. Before that, we are teach, that is called a gene expression. Gene expression means the gene they get converted into the messenger RNA by the process of transcription, and messenger RNA they get converted into the polypeptide chain by the process of translation. Before that, we are teach the modern concept of gene, and that concept are proposed by Seymour Benjir in 1955. And according to this, there are three concepts of gene, that is called cistron, muton, and recon. The cistron, these are called as unit of function, muton, these are called as unit of mutation, recon, these are called as unit of recombination. Before that, we are introduced like genes is a fundamental of heredity. Who proposed the gene? That is called as Mendel. Firstly, the gene is called as factor. The word gene was coined by Johnson in 1909. Thank you all of us. Thank you.